Make money watching videos online. PayPal money, gift cards, and more. Let's check this out, folks. I'm going to be showing you some different apps and websites where you can do just that. But first, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I make videos about making money online and do all kinds of stuff like that. If this is not for you, check out my hundreds of other videos like I talked about and just find a method that works for you to make money online. Okay, so the first app up here is called App Trailers. Basically, all you can do is watch trailers of hot apps and earn points. And once you get enough points, you can redeem those for gift cards, free cash, and PayPal money. It's available for iOS and the Google Play Store. On the iOS device here, it's 4.3 out of 5 rating for your iPhone, iPad, and what have you. So pretty cool. Check it out. Next up is SlideJoy. This one is going to put ads and stuff on your locked screen of your phone. You can swipe right, swipe left, doesn't really matter. It's kind of like a hot or not kind of thing. This one's only for Google Play, for Google Android devices, and basically you just learn quickly news stories, deals, and you just watch these videos. And the same kind of deal here, you're gonna redeem your points and stuff like that for PayPal. You can even donate to charities and stuff like that. Okay, so next up is Inbox Dollars. Be rewarded for watching TV, taking surveys, shopping and cash offers. $5 bonus for sign up, just like instant cash there for you. Here's a whole thing about how it works down here. When you're doing for the video part of it, we're just gonna be watching videos and different brands and stuff like that. They're gonna, you can get points and whatever, and redeem your points for cash and all kind of good stuff like that. So pretty cool. There's a frequent asked questions here as well that you can take a look at and see how you get all your money, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, let's move along. Next up is Volcano. Now this is a website where you're going to be watching movie trailers, app trailers, web trailers, game trailers, and all that kind of stuff. And then you can get points for every flow points, as they call them in here. And every 1,000 points, you can get $1. And then once you get 5,000 points, you can redeem them for Amazon gift cards. I've done this a bunch of times. All you do is go right into this little store part here, and then you collect. I'm almost at 5,000 now, and then you just hit add to cart, bam, and then he sends you a gift card code right away in your email, and you're good to go. Next up is Perk, Perk.com. This is another site where it's not just watching videos and stuff like that, but there's so many ways to earn. Perk TV, all kind of other things like that. And they are going to reward you with real cash, PayPal, and more. Okay, last but not least is MyPoints.com. You just head over to MyPoints.com, sign in, create an account real quick. And they have other ways besides watching videos, but the video part is right down here. Feature video playlist. You get points for stuff and things like that. And of course, you can just run this stuff in the background too. You don't have to really pay attention. And then, there's more ways to earn here. Watch videos, take surveys, discover deals, buy e-cards or whatever, play games, coupons, whatever. And once you get enough points, you're just going to redeem those points and make some cash. So anyways, obviously you're not going to get rich doing any of this stuff. That's why I have my #1 recommendation down on the top with the link in the video description below. It's a way to learn to make serious money online, passive income while you sleep, while you're on vacation, what have you. It's worth checking out. Check it out. You get a free membership, nothing to lose, no risk, whatever. So check that out, folks. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. I have hundreds of other videos about making money online, different apps and things like that, ways to do it if you don't like this methods. So that is all for today. I will talk to you soon.